Hello again, SDI 1209. This is Edward Murray, and this is my review for assignment number 4, the last assignment in this month's SDI course. I didn't encounter too many problems this week. I actually quite enjoyed this assignment out of all of them. Just had a couple of little things like the URL string in string problem 3. If you put spaces in the URL, for some reason it was still returning true. So I had to do some research on that to figure out why it was allowing that. And I think the other one I had a little bit of problems with was the string separator. For some reason I couldn't get it to replace all the separators in a string. But ultimately I was able to figure them out, get them working properly, and then I was able to, fortunately, get all 12 problems working. So I felt really accomplished being able to do that. Some of these problems I thought were going to be harder than they actually were. Just the word problem seemed long and complicated, and then when you got to coding it out, it was surprisingly easier than it sounded. I had a couple of aha moments this month. Mostly times when I was trying to figure out why a piece of code wasn't working how it should work. And then after researching and watching the videos, and it kind of clicks in your head and you go, oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. So I had a couple of those this month. Didn't really collaborate with fellow students too much. Mainly, I think because of how my schedule is. I think I'm kind of on here opposite of other times everybody else is on here. And then another thing is I kind of like to figure things out on my own, which is something I need to kind of get over. But I'd like to challenge myself and do it on my own. I was fortunate enough, however, to have sort of a private tutor help me out. Got a web development guy at work who was kind enough to stay late a couple times and just show me some things and try to explain it in a way for somebody that's never coded before to understand. So overall, I think everything we learned this month, it's been a bit of a challenge trying to understand it. I think I got a good foundation, and hopefully everything we've learned can help me in future classes, including Visual Frameworks next month. So I hope all of you enjoyed this class as much as I did, and look forward to seeing you in future classes.